There is no
Alright,
achievement.
what's up, guys? It's Great VR.
Somebody buy me.
Guys, if you go on a safe zone,
Guys,
you
I'm
get
gonna
free
get away from
VR.
this place first.
Animal company coins.
Alright, what's up, guys? It's Great VR back with another video. If you watched my last video, if you haven't, please go watch it. We were playing Animal Company, but we didn't know how to play it. And I said I was gonna record it so we could figure out how to play it. But then I forgot to record it. But now I asked a lot of people for help while I forgot to record. I asked a lot of people to help. They all helped me, and now I know how to play. So that's great, but I didn't record that, so that's not great. But that was in the past. But we're here now in Animal Company. I figured out that was last video. Yeah, last video I figured out my color code. I tried to get help. People didn't decide to help me, but now people decided to help me. So now I know how to play. I already said that. Okay, I'm gonna quit yapping. But let's just go straight into it and get some
Press B. Right there.
things.
Yeah.
Now you have ammo.
Flashlight,
Oh,
and a crowbar.
I got one more ammo.
That's nice.
And as you can see, you can
Hey,
get
who wants to team up?
revolvers.
I do.
Oh, rocket!
Do you want to join?
Here,
I'm gonna get you set it up. I'm gonna get you set it up.
Okay,
Why
but
did
like,
it
how-
disappear?
so there's
I need a-
well, all I know so far is that a mimic.
Wait, I know.
Guys, why is there a mimic right here? Guys, there's a mimic. Oh my God, everyone, there's a mimic. There's a mimic. Oh yeah, there's a mimic. There's a mimic.
Miss Shachua!
There's a
Did
mimic.
you just one shot
How is
him?
the mimic over here?
Brody just one shot at him. But
Oh,
how
that's a
is
mistake to
there-
have an OG
how is
backpack.
there a he's still attacking me.
He's not attacking me.
I have my.
Bro, what?
Alright, what?
Hey!
Oh, wait, I'm going to follow your COC. COC.
Get over here!
Oh my.
Ha.
You want
You
me
didn't
to
know
kill
damage.
you?
Bones
You want
are
me to
trash.
kill you? You want me to kill you?
But
You
all
want
I
me
know
to
so
kill you?
far is that there is 3 maps. I think there's only 3 maps.
I
Sewers,
wish I could
mines,
shoot you,
and forest.
but I don't want to waste my ammo.
Green has bones and he thinks he's so cool. Kill Green, everyone.
I know, right? Everyone
I'm
kill
trying
green.
to-
Everyone kill green.
I want to kill.
So,
kill green with the-
guys, this might
with
take a
the
moment, but we're gonna
L-pack.
try and kill green.
What? I'm trying to kill him with my
Kill
shotgun that he's
green.
moving through
Kill
fast.
green.
No! How? Dude, why?
Because you keep on messing with people and you think you're so cool with some bones.
Yeah, bro was freaking.
But as of now, guys, we're gonna go to a sewer run. So right now we're walking. Well, we're not fully into sewers yet, but you'll see. Here is the tunnel to sewers, and let's hop right into it. By the way, guys, once again, this game is named Animal Company. If you want to ever play it. Alright. First off, there is a red light, green light monster. Yes, I killed him. Alright. Oh, I only had 1 ammo? Okay. I think this is powerful. I don't know. But I am gonna take it. Get some gems. Oh! Oh, I touched that. No gems, okay. I think he's gonna respawn pretty soon. But if he does, we'll be ready to kill. Oh my god! That scared me. He is back. Okay. Okay, we killed him again. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, we could use that. Wait. We could use that. Alrighty. Wait, what's this box? Oh, another flare gun. Bro, I suck at this. Alright. Alright, we cannot touch this. So, let's just hop right on over. Oh, I finally got a gem. Let me get through. Oh yes, 2 gems. Okay. Alright, now through here, there's the tunnel we have to go through. I already know where to go. Bomb. We also have to be careful of mimics. You'll see what that... Yup, right there. Mimic. We have to look at the way they're moving. Mimics.
Bro, Blue, what's your problem? This green is
I'm going out of my bomb tray.
I give up!
I'm cooked. I forgot which way to go. Oh my god. Oh, it's through here. Okay. Let's go. Bye-bye. And right here, we have to do parkour. So, let's go ahead. I suck at parkour. I'm done. I suck at parkour.
Yeah, you're...
Hold on, guys. I'm getting a phone call right quick. Okay, guys.
I made that. I don't know how I freaking made that.
I'm sorry. I was getting a
Bro,
phone call.
I literally killed you, bro. Like literally.
Like, literally. Bro. Okay. Why is my headset crooked like... Bro. Why is it crooked like this? Oh my god. Okay. Hold on, I gotta fix my headset. It is so crooked.
Guys, kill Green again. Yes. He robbed my shotgun.
Okay.
He robbed my shotgun.
Ah, yes.
This guy's getting
Why is
cooked.
this the
Actual victory.
Guys, kill this guy. Kill Green. Guys, kill Green.
Yep,
Everybody in the lobby,
yep,
kill
so
Green.
much.
He robbed
Everyone
my
kill
Green.
Green. Everyone come to spawn and kill Green. I repeat. Everyone come to spawn and kill Green. I still... Bro,
My headset's about to
headset
die.
is
I need to
crooked
do
for
this.
some reason.
Bro, go over there.
No. Where is he?
He went up.
Where's up?
Okay, there we go.
Bro, can somebody give me a pickaxe?
I do not.
Alright, let's get a
He
bag.
left. He left the game.
No, he left again.
He's after game! My shotgun!
Brody's
My
crashing out.
shotgun!
Somebody's crashing
My
out. Bro.
shotgun!
Stop crashing out.
My literal shotgun! My literal shotgun! He took my shotgun and he logged out, bro. Oh my god. Here, wait.
Did you
Blue.
just drop your? Seriously, just.
Actually, let's buy a few more.
Blue, do you want? I can give you a grapple. No, I need a shotgun. Oh, do you want a grapple? though?
Alright, now
No.
we're going to go to caves, guys. So, let me get weapons. Wait, weapons. Dang
give me
it,
a
I'm low on
shot?
money. Okay, looks like we're using a stick.
Yo, Blue! Here's a gift. Blue, here's a gift.
Whoa, what is that? Should we touch it? So we're just gonna act like that didn't happen. Hey, Blue, who just came out of caves? Please don't take my loot.
How did you die?
Oh, you're black. Okay. So, there may or may not have been a grenade there, and I may or may not have known that was a grenade, and I may or may not have touched it with my stick, and I may or may not have died.
That was me. I didn't know somebody would come out of nowhere and just.
Well, yeah, I'm a new player, so I didn't even know it was a bomb. Alright, guys. Let's get these gems. Get her.
Wait up! Where'd you go?
Get. I said get in here. I said.
Wait.
My backpack.
The big.
Oh,
big
it's
ones
full.
sell
Okay.
for more.
I was wondering, but it's full. Okay, let's go.
I think the big ones sell for more.
They do.
One time I had found gold, but
But guys, if
it
you
was
never,
a hole.
but guys, if you never have played this game, just
Ow, bro.
imagine,
Sorry.
just
Sorry.
imagine in your
Why-
mind gorilla tag, but there's enemies and monsters you have to kill, and flashlights and weapons you can get, and you can kill other players. Basically that. Oh my god, bro, there's so much going on. Oh wait, let's put these in here. Wait, I don't think that costs me because it's 0.
The sales those don't sell for anything.
Alright. How much moolah do I get?
Ooh, that's a decent amount.
That's good.
Decent,
Yeah,
decent.
that's decent. Decent.
Bro, I need to go get some gold.
Me too.
I need some money, bro. I need some money.
Yeah, bro.
Can you get-
I ain't making money, bro.
Me
How
either,
much
bro.
people are in the server? Oh,
I'm
it's
just
only
I think it's
four.
just me and us.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just
Well, I'm joining a different server that has full people. What the?
I have nothing.
Okay.
That's why you see here.
Close.
I have nothing.
Why don't
I
There's
have
so
nothing.
many.
Dude,
Oh my god, it's so chaotic.
I
Oh my
Orange
god.
goodie bag.
Oh my
My game is glitching so
Yo,
bad.
bag!
My game
Goodie
is
bags
glitching
for
so
sale.
bad.
$2. Goodie
That's a
bags.
stupid blue guy. I can't believe that stupid blue guy stole my shit.
literally just said.
Don't let it.
Bombastic
really weird.
side-eye! Criminal offensive
Goodie
side-eye!
Oh, I'm out of
bag.
money.
Bro, this is too much.
I'll take that back.
Alright, I think we're gonna go. Wait, do I have enough? Hold on. Okay, guys. Time to go on a virtual reality right quick. Wait, guys. Oh my god. We're going into virtual reality. Guys, we're in virtual reality playing. Oh my god, I can't speak. We're in virtual reality, going into virtual reality. That's a tongue twister. You guys try to say it. We're going into virtual reality. We're going into virtual reality while in virtual reality. That's a what? Tongue twister. Goodbye.
Fucking killing people all the time. Fucking scared.
Oh my god.
Just want to tell a Wowzio.
I'm not built for this, even though I play Gorilla Tag every single day. Oh my god. Oh, I did it. Oh, let's go. No! No! Bro.
Oh, I'm coming to the safe zone.
So close. And
Why are there so many sticks on the floor?
let's go. Alright. Wait. Boom, baby. Now we have a mini map device. Oh, I got to go backward. Wait. Meow. 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 Okay, let's see. Wait, what's this? Monster camera, digital camera, takes pictures of monsters and sells the camera for profit. Oh, that's good. Lights, camera, action. Oh, so we could buy. Ah, dang it, bro. Okay, we need two gems for the bag. So actually, we could go into sewers right quick. So guys, since we need two and we only have one gem, we are going to go into sewers right quick.
Okay.
Bro, wait, you already have a green backpack, bro. It's a blue backpack.
Oh,
Want
shit,
a
I
free
didn't even see, my
RPG?
bad.
If you want a free
Well,
RPG,
let's
go
have a
get it.
backpack.
Alright, bro.
let's go.
Who wants a free backpack?
Do it.
Who wants a free
Go get
backpack?
RPG.
Here's a free backpack.
full of sticks.
Then we have this toy. No,
Yo, guys, I want to join you.
stop it. If you want the goodie bag,
All right, let's
if you
go.
want-
I
if you want the goodie bag, then you have to go.
Yo, walk in my place. Daddy. Hey, stay right there. I'll come back.
All right, time to go into the famous. Wait, time.
You guys, I
hold on.
see y'all.
Time to go into the famous sewer. Wait, I messed that up. Time to go into the famous sewers. Woo. All right, wait. Okay.
Hey guys, I was
Move.
Hello.
All right, we're going to stop right here. Right here.
Bro, who the frick? Don't worry, I'm coming. Help! Little help here!
Let's go. We killed him. Sir, no. Back up.
Yo, dude, I was mining with.
Back up. So. Why is it all, bro? Okay. Let's go look for gems.
Where are you?
We found some freaking gems. Time to get gems. And no gems inside of the gems. Oh, there's gems right here. There's gems right there. There is gems everywhere. Please give me some gems. Seriously. The one time I need gems. The one time. Ugh. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh shoot, it's where that green light again. Bruh. Bro. Oh my god. Why is this actually so hard? Bro, just give me some gems. Just give me my money. It's not even funny.
Yo, Alpha, where you go?
Oh, I'm sick of this. Okay, let's go.
Life is like a box of dollars, little woman,
Yes, there's gems right there. Okay.
real. Don't ever say that again.
The one
Hello,
time I
anybody?
need gems. Every single time. Can we eat this? No? Okay. So, let's go over there again and try to get those. Oh,
I will give you a shotgun. I will give you a shot. I will give you a grapper for the shotgun. Look, can you?
okay, let's see if we can at least get up here. Bro, why does this have to be so hard?
You guys, I'm petting my dog, so if you hear me saying stuff like "good boy," just ignore it. I'm just petting.
Okay. My God,
My dog died.
crash out. Okay.
Womp womp. Shit.
You know what? I am going to kill
Why
you,
would you say that,
and then yeah.
bro? It's all right. Oh, apologize.
I moved my lips, bro.
I'm coming. Wait for me.
I moved my lips. My
Go to
lips.
computer if you want to mind with
I'm
me.
gonna have a mic.
Shut the fuck up, kid. Hey, stop with the cussing, broski. I literally
You
want
wanna
to
mind with me? You wanna mind with me?
Okay, can you like not? Go buy me a pickaxe. Who could buy me a pickaxe?
What?
Can somebody buy me a pickaxe? Stop hitting me, Jacob.
Okay, the code is 545.
Hey, who can buy me a pickaxe? Who can buy me a pickaxe?
Hey, the code is 545.
Absolutely no one.
I'm not.
Looks like we don't have enough money once again.
We don't have enough money, guys.
Hey, can you go mind with
How
me?
much,
Purple right there. You.
How much research points can you
You wanna mind
go up
with
to a
me?
day?
No.
Like, what's this cap space?
Papa,
Oh, it's 60,000?
Party,
Million?
Papa,
Actually,
at your
trillion?
party,
My dick?
party, Papa, at your party, Papa, at your party, party, Papa, at your party. By the way, guys, my watch, it's also a map, and this also shows me how much stuff I have. And it's also a radio. See, look. Papa at your party.
Oh, I swear if you don't shoot you bitches.
Ah! But I'm gonna do that to annoy them. Papa at your party with your friends. Papa at your party with your friends. Is anyone mining in forest?
Give me 1 sec.
Hey,
Where'd you
back
go?
away,
I'm
chat.
back.
Papa at your party. What was Papa at your party? Party. Let me just, stop running away. Oh shoot, he coming. We gotta go, chat. Oh no, we good. Shh. Go, 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 go. Oh shoot, he got alerted. I didn't know that alerts them. It sounds like someone's mining or.
Hey, who the hell just killed me? So I'm coming. Yeah, buddy, you tell him. Go get him tired.
Okay, calm down, chat. I'll just go around you, dang. You that mad?
I'm gonna go buy me a flashlight.
Dang it! Papa at your party, party.
Guys. Hey, red. Hey, black.
Why does everybody
Guys,
have
where do I-
the purple color code?
Sorry. Have this.
Hey, what's your
don't
color
care.
code? What's your color code?
No.
Purple.
Hey, that back killed me. Hey, the back
Kill me
killed
now.
me.
Kill me now.
Oh, this game's so fun. Who wants sticks? Who wants sticks, guys?
Me.
Come here, Miho.
Somebody's sweater watch.
At your
Somebody's sweater watch.
party.
Where? Come here, Miho.
Color.
Someone just killed me already. Just killed me already. Horrible. Kill yourself. Kill yourself. Can someone give me a grappler? Kill yourself. Someone give me a grappler. Yo, that guy's gonna kill. That guy's gonna kill.
Oh my god!
Oh, I never have a grappler before. Trish, cut him.
Nigger!
Whoa, kill him. Kill him. Yo, kill him.
Nigger!
Who keeps saying that, bro? Who keeps saying that?
Can I have the grappler? No. Go buy yourself one and sue us. Buy one and sue us. Buy one and sue
I
us.
forgot how to save it.
Can you give one?
I think you should. No, I don't think it's saved. Shoot!
How you get different tools? Yo, green. How you get different tools? Green. Here. Green. Yo, can I have my
Nigger!
Red one!
I think I have to remove the hat.
Red one!
I'm not a red one. I'm not a red one.
Alright, I have a new purple color. Oh yeah.
Here. I'll give you this back. Here, give me a thing else.
Red watch! Red watch! Red watch!
Hey!
Red watch! Red watch!
Bro, they got the kids screaming up in here, bro.
Come here,
Hey.
Red watch!
Hey,
Today,
Hey,
I'm gonna
nigger,
show you
bro.
how to get research points.
Stop it!
wait, I wanna know how to get research points.
You're killing me!
Red watch! Red
Okay, how
watch!
do you do it?
Oh my god, why?
Well, that's how I wanna know how do you
Guys,
get
go to
research
fight, go to
points.
fight.
Is it still there?
What's it going to fight?
First, you gotta go over here.
Welcome.
I am a flashlight team. I will
Shut up,
constantly
nigger.
your
You gotta
flashlight.
follow him because he's trying
You get 3 hits in the head with a knife hit ass.
And then I go like this.
And you die.
Do I need a backpack? Okay, backpack.
I got fire.
What else do I need?
Nigger! 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 Nigger!
Okay.
Nigger!
Flashlight.
Nigger! Nigger!
We
Where you
don't
guys
wait.
going? Where you guys going? Where you guys going?
No.
Where are you guys going? Where you guys going? Where are you guys going?
I don't know. I'm following him.
What a I need to report again.
I'm on the regular pickaxe.
Where you guys going? Where you guys going? Where you guys
I need
going?
a, I need a,
Flashlight.
I need to
I'll
report
give you
again.
flashlight.
Where are you guys going?
Can you, bitch?
What are you?
Can you?
Where are you guys going? Can I go with you guys?
I always wanted. Up there, bro.
Can I go with you guys?
But I,
You get some good shit, bro.
Can I go with you guys?
No.
Hey, how
Oh, you fucking nigger.
Let me get something.
Okay.
Let me change my
No,
order.
but I'm
Okay.
talking actually.
Alright,
But I
good.
got a full catch.
Alright, good.
Oh,
Oh, it says.
Timmy! I killed Timmy. I killed Timmy.
I can't go with you guys. I can't go with you
Okay,
guys.
come on.
I can't go with you guys. Can I go with you guys? Can I come with you guys?
I just banned
Guys,
that dude.
Guys,
Well,
can I come with you guys?
it's okay if you come with me, because I'm just exploring.
Really? Really?
That's what you guys get. That's what you guys get. That's
You,
what you
we
guys
literally
get.
said
That's what
we
you
literally
guys
just said you could come with us. We literally just said you could come with us. Like so like what are you talking about?
Get the loot. Get the loot. Get the loot.
I love to
Get the
explore.
loot. Get the loot. Get the
Bro.
loot.
Oh my god.
Get the loot, guys. Get the loot. Get the loot. Get the loot. Get the loot.
This point I don't be care.
Okay, I just need a weapon. All I need. Where is he? Purple?
You need a weapon?
Yeah.
I need a weapon.
First I'm gonna get these. Oh, I don't have a backpack. Dang it, I don't have a backpack. Chopper.
Ooh, I got cut.
But you know whatever, yeah. Okay,
There's
let's
so many
go.
diamonds. You did not just say.
Wait for me.
Okay, hold it up. If you want research points, you gotta go over here. Technically, here. Oh shoot.
Wait for me. It's hard to do it with one hand.
So, you know what's gonna happen, bro. Just go down here.
Whee! Peace out, people.
Where are you? Oh, okay. Come on. Ooh. Oh, yay, we don't take fall damage. I guess that's great.
Oh no, this
Danger.
is
Oh, no, wait,
oh
wait,
my
wait,
god,
wait, wait.
run!
What do we do? Do we climb here? Can we even grab
Goodbye.
onto that?
Goodbye. Wait, is he still there? No.
We can use. It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Peace out.
You guys can go, but I'm gonna go get it.
Gold! Oh my god, there's gold. Oh my lordy lord, there's gold. Oh my lordy lord, there's gold.
I'm sliding down. Boom. This game is like 2 steps
Let's go, bro.
ahead because I just banned
Does
it.
someone have a crowbar I can use?
So you're welcome.
Hey, Gray, can I use your crowbar? Does anyone have a crowbar? Does anyone have a
Nah.
crowbar? Gray. The gray dude I was with, this is purple. Do you have a crowbar?
Oh. The risk of getting back is over there, and I just saw a monster walk past.
Yeah, no. Nope, nope, not doing it today. No, sir. No, sir. No, sirree. No, sir.
How are we
sir.
supposed to get back up?
Just
Whoever gets
get all
me
the
a
way up
20k
here.
first, I'll give you a dragon RPG.
Oh my god, I just almost fell. Ah, I'm scared. Bro, let me up here. How long has this video been going for? I think the video is way too long now. So, hope you guys.
Red watch,
Oh
red watch,
shoot,
red watch.
my battery's
Did I
at
get it?
4%. Okay, so I
Get
gotta
out my
get out
bag.
of here quick. We're gonna try and end this video.
Okay, can I be on your team?
Alright. Alright guys, that'll be the end of the video for today. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you are.
That one.
And peace out.